Hi, it's Phil here at the carhouse.co.uk in East Yorkshire. Today we're looking around one of our latest purchases, this Toyota RAV4. So bear with us, the video's only going to take a few minutes. We're going to look at a lot of the features, we'll look at your condition, the service history as well. So if you've got a bit of a journey to come before you test drive, or you're just looking at buying online, this should hopefully give you a better idea what the car's all about. It might not, but we'll try. So this is the XL model. We picked this car up just a couple of days ago. I drove it myself. It was about 30 miles to get back here. I've got to say, it drives lovely. It's been really well looked after. It's finished in this really nice metallic grey paint, shining up lovely in the flesh. I'm hoping that's coming across on camera okay. Really good condition, been looked after really well. Goodyear tyres on it. In fact, ignore that. We'll look at the condition in a bit. We'll focus on the features for now. You'll see we do have privacy glass to the rear. Side steps always help an SUV stand out, look. If I move to the rear, some good news as well, it's also fitted with a tow bar. It is detachable, so you can take it off, and it's got the 13-pin electrics. Now moving to the interior, we do have a multifunction steering wheel. It is a push-button start as well. I'll look at the touchscreen shortly. I just want to show you my favourite feature that everyone's going to ask about. It does have a sunroof, and we've got black leather seats. Driver's seat is electrically adjustable. Now we often find these end up as family cars, so if I have a look into the back, of course you're going to get ISOFIX points to the two outer rear seats. Pull this down, you also get a couple of cup holders for the people in the back as well, and there is a little power point just under that front armrest. If anyone's going to sit in the back and needs a phone charger or anything, it's always quite handy. And your tailgate, it is a power tailgate, so just a push of a button or a tap on the key, and up comes the boot. So good news, it does have a rubber mat which we'll leave in for you. We've also got the load cover which is still here, and quite rare these days we've also got a spare wheel, which is quite handy. Right, let's jump in and start the car up. We'll have a look at some of the features inside. So it's the view from the driver's seat. It is a nice leather trim steering wheel, and look, it's a Toyota, it's well built, it's robust, nice quality materials throughout. Love the look of the dashboard, especially the leather trim you get on these. Really helps it stand out. Anyway, ignore me waffling. Mileage as of today is 70,879. I said we'd look at the touchscreen. So it does have satellite navigation. If I pop her in reverse, it does also get reversing camera. Of course, I'm playing about there. It is the automatic gearbox with it being the hybrid. Ideally is for people who don't want a big diesel SUV. If you're just doing journeys around town and short distances, it's absolutely ideal. Media centre, so you do have DAB radio, you've got Bluetooth connectivity. We've also got air conditioners, you would expect. Further down, if I can get the camera to focus, you've also got heated front seats and a USB input to charge up your phone. So back outside the car to look at the condition. In fact, before we do that, we'll look at the service history. So as I always do in the videos, I will put a little screenshot on here of the dates and mileage for all the service intervals. We have just had the car MOT'd as well. You'll see all that on the screen. Like I say, it's a Toyota. It's been well looked after mechanically. So as we walk around the car now, I'll try and get as close as I can to the paintwork. I do not think anybody will be disappointed when they come look at this. It is in lovely condition. As I was going to look at earlier before I interrupted myself, we've got Goodyear tyres all round. Let me try and stick close to the bodywork as we go. It is polished up really well. There's another Goodyear tyre. It has had this bumper protector put on as well, which we're leaving on. And we'll go down the passenger side of the car. Tyre, it's another Goodyear. So hopefully you can see the tread on them as well. Oh, there we go. That's the fourth matching Goodyear tyre. Normally the sign of a responsible previous owner. So that is the Toyota RAV4. So if you found this video via Facebook or via YouTube, you're just going to have to click the link in the description below. That'll take you through to our website. You'll be able to view 40, 50 photos of the car. You can order finance quotes on there, value your part exchange, reserve the car, whatever you need to do. You can buy it online and have your finance done online if you really want to. It can all be done in a minute or so. If you found us via the usual websites, so Auto Trader, Cargaroos, motors.co.uk, you'll know all that anyway. But if anyone needs any further information, you think there's anything I've missed out, leave us a comment, send me a message, and we'll see you soon.